Hello, this is our interactive board. As you see, there are two systems in the machine. Here we can look, this is Android and this is Windows. Now is the Android. Okay, we change to Windows. And here we go back to Android. Okay, let me show the whiteboard. You can see it writes smoothly, and we can look at the writing response speed. You can see the response speed is very quickly. And here are many tools such as the eraser. And here you can clear it. Here is the split line. And other tools such as shape. Many shapes. And here you can change the line and adjust. Here, okay, you can see it's a different line. You can also change here and set up this. Okay. And here we can change the color. It's red and we change it to black. Here we can change the color of background. And here we can type some word. And then we can move it and adjust. Also the color can be changed. And here you can input some picture in your device. Okay, let me show you the multi-touch. You can see the is 10 point. And there you can see another function such as eraser. Okay. And let me go to the Windows. In the Windows system, you can see just like your PC, and the operation is the same. Let me open a web. Okay, and here, up here, you can see many keys, the convenient functions such as the menu, and whiteboard, backlight, and volume. Okay, and that's all.